I want to show you something different about our search that I don't think anybody knows, which is really cool.
You want to use that keyboard so that big black square goes away because it kind of blocks everything.
Okay, hang on. Okay, so I'll use this.
And you want camera 3?
Yeah. Okay. So here we're gonna it's not letting me.
Just start typing with the keyboard.
BIR birthday, right? And I'm gonna hit enter. Now all the birthday stuff is gonna pop up, right? All the birthday stuff is gonna pop up. But I'm gonna come over here. I'm only looking for birthday dies. I'm gonna say categories, dies. I only want to see the dies. I don't want to see stamps. I just want to see dies. Now it's only going to show me birthday dies. Now let me find my happy birthday. So let's find it. Oh my goodness, we have a lot of birthday. Maybe I should have searched die words. Can I search die words? Word dies. Word dies. Pick word dies. It's much faster. Now we got better. This is going to be better. Oh, there it is. There it is. Ding, ding, ding. It's happy birthday number 7. So I didn't use the to you, which would have been really cute to say happy birthday to you right there. But that is the happy birthday I used. Happy birthday number 7. But you guys, I want you to see how cool that was, right? I got to pick what, now I can say clear all. Now all of the birthdays are going to show up again. Now I have everything birthday. Now what if I wanted a creative Dex birthday? Or I want, a card die. I want card dies that have to do with birthday. I'm going to click on the category over here. Now any card die that has to do with birthday is going to pop up. So I have my happy birthday, I have happy birthday over there, happy birthday there. So I have all those options. And then let's say I want to flip it that says happy birthday. That'll be interesting. Oh, now, because that says happy birthday. That's the one we used today. There's the other oval flip it. That's more like a circle. There's a real circle one. Look, this one has happy birthday. Look at this, you guys. So that search function is really, really, really your friend. You're going to search in that box and then go to the left and pick the category you want. So it's going to zoom in a lot easier on the one you're looking for.